Battery draining too fast? Try these simple fixes to extend your iPhone battery life. Open Settings, tap Battery, and check which apps use the most power. Turn on low power mode to immediately reduce background activity and save power. Disable background app refresh for apps that don't need constant updates. Lower screen brightness and enable auto brightness to cut display power usage. Limit location services to while using or turn off location access for unnecessary apps. Keep iOS and apps up to date to benefit from the latest battery optimizations. Check battery health. If maximum capacity is significantly low, consider replacing the battery. Set mail to fetch manually or increase fetch intervals to reduce frequent wake-ups. Restart your iPhone regularly and only reset network or all settings as a last resort. Remove unused widgets and limit push notifications from chatty apps to save background power. Subscribe for more tips and check the links below for full step-by-step guides.